Hey guys, welcome back to Engineering Box. So in this video is about thermoelectric refrigerator. This is a continuation part of the previous video. If you haven't watched that video, the link is given in the description below. Please go and watch that, and then only you can get a clarity of what I'm talking about in this video. So in the previous video, I have discussed a solution for the problem that I have faced in thermoelectric refrigerator. So now I think I found a solution. I think about 95% it will work, so that I will show you. So now let's see, I have used the same solution or did I change it. So let's get started. So here is the refrigerator that I have shown in the previous video. So what I have discussed in the previous video is to make one hole here, and then use a plastic box and place the thermoelectric like Peltier module kit on the box, and then connect a pipe, and then it continues. But if we make like that, there will be so much of heat loss, and we don't know like how much heat is lost. And this is a solid refrigerator module, it doesn't give that much of cooling. So then I change the plan like this, making a two holes beside, and one will be the taking out the air from the cabin and then cool down, and then get flowing the air through this hole with a fan. So I kept a fan in this hole, and then this kept open so that the air gets sucked up and then cools and then go down. That will work if the module or heat sink is at -degree Celsius. But unfortunately, with the help of Peltier module, we cannot achieve that kind of temperature with this plastic, and the light is entered into this plastic box, due to which there will be a heat loss again. So then I came back to the old solution itself. Like, I completely assembled in this manner, like which I have done in the first model itself. Like so this is the old solution that I have preferred to make, keeping the whole set in the old position itself. There is only a small change in this. So I have found a box in my scrap which perfectly suits the small aluminum heat sinks that will perfectly fit in this hole. So I made a hole on this plastic box, and then keeping the whole set on this, and then sealing with hot glue, and thereby removing this top cover, and then you can see the heat sink on this, and then the water is collected over here, and then I arranged a pipe under this, and then we can collect the water. Now let's see how I have made. I'll show you that. So you can see the assembled part. Just a minute, let me switch on the flash. Yeah, so you can see the assembled part. So this is a plastic box which I have made cut, and then assembled a heat sink to it, and used a hot glue to seal it. And here down it will collect the water, and from this pipe it will go, and then it comes out with this. So that's all for today in this video. I hope you understood the solution that I have made for the problem that I have been facing in Peltier refrigerator. So if you have any better idea on this problem and you have the solution, then please let me know in the comment section. Or else, if you didn't understand any of the part, you can directly contact me through Instagram or Facebook. The links are given in the description below. And because I don't want to explain completely, because this is a boring topic, but also it's evergreen. Like when it is a summer, everyone will search to make how to make refrigerator. So that's why I'm making this video, and this is also is one of my project in my project list. So that's why I'm making this video. So see you again in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.